Hey everyone, welcome back to Everything RVs and More. Today we're in Costa Rica, and if you've ever dreamed about bringing your RV or overlanding rig to Central America, this place needs to be on your list. So RVinCR is a privately owned RV park tucked away near Tenorio Volcano, and honestly surprised us when we pulled in. Not because it's huge or flashy, but because it's exactly what you hope to find when you're traveling this far with a rig. Quiet, clean, safe, easy to access, and everything you actually need. This isn't a resort. It's not overdone, and it's not pretending to be something it isn't. It's authentic Costa Rica with real jungle, real rivers, and real wildlife all around you. Now, let's talk about what they offer, and more importantly, what we personally used. 30 amp hookups, which is a big deal down here. We're able to run our air conditioner, which we couldn't even do last year, just up the road. Natural, fresh spring water, cold, clean, super refreshing. Self-service laundry, and we use it multiple times. When you're traveling long-term, laundry convenience is gold. Trust me. Shaded and level sites, and they're currently adding solid ground pads so rigs don't sink during rainy season. More washers are coming. They're growing deliberately, not rushing, and you can feel that everything here is being built for real travelers, not just weekend photos. Now for the fun stuff. Right next to RVin.cr, there are private waterfalls you can hike to, and yes, we've done it. It's absolutely worth the trek. Plus, we went on a night frog tour, and you wouldn't believe how many different species show up once the jungle comes alive. If you love nature, you're gonna geek out here. And if you're wondering about location, here's what's within a short drive. Tenorio Volcano National Park, Rio Celeste, Blue River Brewery, yes, craft beer in the jungle, and some of the best ceviche restaurants you'll ever find anywhere. So you're not isolated. You're positioned perfectly. RVin.cr is ideal if you are overlanding, RVing internationally, for digital nomads, full-timers, or just planning a long stay Costa Rica adventure. This isn't a party park. It's a base camp for real explorers. So if Costa Rica is even remotely on your radar, save this place. I'll drop their website link below so that you can check out rates, directions, and availability. You let me know in the comments if you'd like a video on how to RV in Costa Rica, including border crossings, insurance, and setup tips. Because yes, we've done it. Don't forget, you can like, subscribe, and follow the journey. More Costa Rica life and RV travel tips coming soon. See you in the next video. Pura Vida, friends.